S&P 500 this week has bounced in between these two price levels. First of all, we had a breakout to the upside and then the price turned back down, making this bullish breakout as a valid one, but then the price continued to fall down for some reason, reaching this area which is 4848 and then bouncing back up. We can see that on a Thursday something has happened on the market. The price has pushed the price even more up, making this bullish breakout again, and then on a Friday we can see this same bullish candle has continued to rise in value, which has confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one. On the weekly time frame we can see this is another bullish candle, which just means that the bulls are much stronger than the sellers, and currently there is no selling pressure the market that could push the price down, reaching 4784, which is the first support level at this mark. And we can see that the price has made a breakout outside of this uptrend channel, which means this very strong bullish market currently is visible. On the monthly time frame, the previous month has ended as a bullish candle, and we can see that it is a bullish breakout to the upside. So there is a possibility, and also I'm expecting that this month the price will return back down, confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one, at least something around this 4784, because each time when the price makes a breakout to the upper side or to downside, the price returns back down eventually, and confirming the bullish breakout as a valid one in this case. The price did not return all the way to 4588. We can see it has returned to 4660 and then bouncing back up. So I'm expecting a similar scenario here, where we have all-time high price currently on the market. So for now I will put here 4849. I will put this one as a 5000. As the next one. Okay, come on. This will be the next resistance level. On the weekly time frame, what we can see is the price is very close to the 5000 round number, and then we can see go on the daily time frame. So on the daily, I'm expecting that the price will try to reach this round number and also around this supply zone. After that, there is a possibility that the bulls will get outside of the market, and this will be triggered to sell the price down, reaching around this demand zone, which is around 4900. Will that happen? Will there is any price action signal? This is something that I'm expecting. There is also a possibility that the price will not stop at this supply zone, and it will continue to rise in value if there is no sellers on the market, and if there is still bullish momentum that is pushing the price very strongly to the upper side. This is something that I am expecting to reach higher price level, and then we'll see what happens around 5000. This is the first stop that I'm expecting next week that the price will reach, and then we need to see what happens around this one. Will the price easily make a breakout to the upside and making a bullish breakout? Then confirmation is something that I'm expecting the next day. If the price returns back down and the price closes below the lower side of this demand zone, which means below 4882, we can see it will be a confluence of support, which will be very hard to break to the downside because of this strong bullish momentum that is pushing the price. And we can see in this attempt this week the price did not manage to move to the lower levels. So this is something that needs to be broken first, and then this will be the second case. The second step for the price in order to reach lower side, which means around 4784. Until that happens, we'll see what happens around this supply zone around 5000, and then we can make a decision where the price is moving next. If you would like to check what is the daily analysis if something happens, which I'm sharing inside the trading community, you can check that by visiting the link below in the description. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.